What is the grape with the most plantings for still wine production in the Jura? Is it A, Chardonnay, B, Sauvignon, C, Trousseau?
Okay, votes here pretty evenly split between Chardonnay, so A and B as their answer, with I think a couple of people voting for C as well.
Okay, so the key to this question was for still wine production. For still wines, the most planted grape is Sauvignon. Chardonnay technically is the most planted grape in the whole region, but the majority of that is used for Crémant de Jura sparkling wine. All right, I think this is our last question here. True or false, Rutherglen Muscat fortified wines are made from Muscat Blanc, Petit Grand grapes.
Okay, so the majority of answers here coming in as true, with just one false so far.
All right, whoever said it was false is correct. Bit of a tricky question here, but Rutherglen Muscat is a red fortified wine made from red grape, which is Muscat Rouge à Petit Grand, which is a mutation of the Muscat Blanc. It does have that same grapey floral character, but it does have a red skin, which lends itself to a red base wine, which then through the fortification and maturation process turns brown. Sometimes this grape in Australia is called Rutherglen Brown Muscat.
That's
So
great,
I
and a
think that was our last question.
shout out to Jim Bass for getting that one correct. So great job.